Those which are really 5-star hotel.
One more. I not got it. Okay. Can you tell us what happened today?
Yes, I just submitted the report. Finished.
And what are the recommendations?
That I cannot disclose. That is a privileged document.
Okay.
Sorry.
How much time you took to complete the program?
Oh, I told him yesterday.
Since last year, August.
The notification appointing me was issued in August. I cannot be precise about the date. Then we started the work first week of September. Then there were procedural wranglings. Okay. And it took 3 months to dispose of all the miscellaneous applications. So we could start hearing only in the month of December. And after that, we wrap up the proceedings in the last week of April. After that, it took me some 2 weeks or more to complete the report. That is how I filed it. Actually, the report was ready last Saturday, but Honorable CM, he couldn't give me appointment early. So today, that is why I am here today.
Since it was a controversial case, did you face any difficulties
Like what kind of difficulties?
during the probe investigation?
No difficulties. I got cooperation from the victim's family. I got cooperation from the police. No adjournment was sought for. Even lawyers also, they are doing very well. That's why though I could sit only 2 days a week. 2 days a week. That also I have to accommodate the interests of lawyers, so I could not sit every week. Some of them are from Delhi. So that is how we manage.
And the adjournment from the Delhi lawyers, was it?
No, few. Can't help it. They also have their own personal problem to attend to. I cannot force them to come every week. It is impossible. Given the constraints they have, they are doing very well.
So now it is up to the government to act on it.
Yes, they have gone through it, and it's for them to decide whether to accept my recommendation or to reject it.
Well, it means but the job of the inquiry commission is finished.
Yes, it's finished today.
Now it leaves to government.
Yes, it is now, the ball is in the court of the government.
Okay, thank you.